This is an audio test for the Giant Squid and the DR-05X. Video is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. That was my buddy's 1980s or 1990s Harley. I think it's a 1300. He got that one after his accident on his 883. I don't know what year that one was. But for him to be able to buy that 883 back from them from insurance, I think it was either too much or he ended up getting it back, and then he just decided he was going to buy another bike for the meantime. Well, it is a long shift at work, dude. 13 and a half, 14 hours at work. It's times like these, while owning a sport bike, that I'm very glad that I live so close to home. I mean, it's not uncomfortable to ride it. It's just, I mean, like, right now, this early in the day is like kind of chilly. And I'm the type of person that usually doesn't wear a hoodie or anything like that. At least around this time, because it's so hot during the day. And I don't want to have to wear it when it's hot just to bring it to work. And I also don't want to fucking lug around a backpack to take it. But this is my only storage right here below me, is this little tank bag. And I put drinks and stuff in there, and my audio recorder. I'd like to get actual bags that go on the back seat, because ain't nobody ever fucking riding on the back of this bike. Ain't happening. I need to lose some weight myself, but I already weigh I weigh 330 pounds, give or take a few pounds. And this bike only weighs 400 something, I think. So I'm not that much lighter than this bike is. Maybe give it 100 pounds or so. This bike is heavier than me. It's not a whole lot. But I do like lightweight bikes like this because they're very easy to maneuver, and sport bikes are just my style of bike. I've rode a couple different cruisers, and sport bikes are just my thing. Now, don't get me wrong, cruisers definitely have their place, 100%. If I'm going on a long ass ride, I do not want to fucking ride this thing. I absolutely do not want to ride this thing. I will definitely take a cruiser if I'm going on a trip that's longer than 100 miles or so. I can make this work, and I absolutely want to be able to make this as comfortable as I can. But the best way that I can do that is to buy a Sergeant seat, and Sergeant seats are like $300 something, I think, or $250, somewhere around there. So they're not cheap. But would it be worth it? Probably. I don't know, because I've never sat on a Sergeant seat. That was today's audio test. If you'd like to see more content from the motovlog, please let me know. Peace.